Hello everyone, we are here today at the Grand Floridian Villas where we are staying in a one-bedroom villa with a standard view. This room does sleep up to 5 adults and has plenty of space for everyone to spread out.
Yeah, we really like this room. This is one of our favorite one-bedroom villas because it is one of the largest. There is a lot of space in here. And this one is a standard view, but it's not quite as standard as some of the others. We actually have a really nice view of the monorail. So I'm hoping when we go out on the balcony, we might see a monorail go by. It should be pretty cool.
Let's go check it out.
Now here in the entryway, we do have kind of a little foyer area. And over to the right, there is a second door. That is going to be the door to the studio next door. So if you were to book a 2-bedroom, you could end up in a lock-off. That is the 1-bedroom here and the studio next door combined. We've got a little piece of art on the wall here that we thought perhaps may have a hidden Mickey just because of the style. Seems like it lends itself well to that. And sure enough, up in the top right corner, we got a little hidden Mickey in there. And then going into the main part of the room here, we walk into the kitchen. We've got a small little counter and cabinets over here on the right. And then we have our bench with the dining room table right there in the corner. So it's nice use of the space with the corner bench there. And just above that, we have a couple plates. One that has the Grand Floridian logo and Casey Jr. going around it. Another with Dumbo. And then another with Timothy, Mouse, as well as the storks there in the background. And of course, those plates do form kind of a little hidden Mickey there. Now the kitchen in here is rather large. We've got a full-size fridge and freezer. Down below there is a drawer with an ice maker, and then there's also a second freezer lower than that. And then we have everything you need here in the kitchen. We've got an oven and a stove. We have a microwave, we've got a full-size coffee maker and a toaster over here in the corner. We do have a dishwasher as well as the sink there. The dishwasher is disguised in the cabinets right here, so you've got that built in there. And then you have all of your dishes and things in the cabinets. You've got your plates and bowls and cups, and of course silverware in all of these cabinets, and pots and pans for cooking. So we've got everything you could need here in the villa. Now over here in the living room area, kind of a big open space. This does sleep 3 of the 5 people in here because this is a pull-out queen-size bed inside this couch. And over here behind me we have a little pull-down bed that is a twin-size bed. We've got the flat screen TV on the wall, and underneath that in this little cabinet we have a Blu-ray player. So you've got a Blu-ray player to go with the TV there. Over in the corner to the right, there's a couple benches that have storage inside of them. So there's lots of little places for storage here in the room, both inside those little benches and behind them. There are drawers in the wall there. So lots of little places to store things, little drawers on the end tables there. So lots of spaces in here. On the wall, we've got a picture of a little girl riding her bike. Seems like it might have been a long time ago, but I don't think it was, because Duffy hasn't been around that long. That is Duffy the bear, and of course Duffy with a little hidden Mickey on his face, just the way that he's designed, and little Mickey on his paw print there too. And then on the other side of that mirror, we have a fun silhouette of Mickey and Minnie, all dressed up and fancy. And we'll pull out this couch and show you the bed pulled out in just a couple minutes. Now in front of us we have the balcony. This does stretch the entire width of the room. And like I said, this is a standard view, but we are right by the monorail. So even though it's standard, it's a pretty great view. Over here to the right, you cannot go through because there is the studio there in the lock-off. So if you have a lock-off 2-bedroom villa, it is going to have that divider in there. But still a pretty big balcony. There are a couple chairs over on the other end. And that door leads us into the master bedroom. So not bad for a standard view at all. Now heading into the master, we have a king-size bed in here, and there is no under the bed storage. It is worth noting, but I think with a room this size, we don't really need the under the bed storage. They've got a walk-in closet over there. We've got a chair in the corner. We've got a couple lamps on either side of the bed. We also have a dresser over here with lots of drawers and another flat screen TV. And then we have a desk And above the desk, we've got a really pretty piece of art from Mary Poppins. You've got this cutout kind of piece of paper art. You've got the horses with the kids riding down below. You've got Mary Poppins and Bert up on the bridge. You've got the carousel horses over there as well. The penguins over here. Really fun piece of art. And then over here on the left of the bed, we do have that walk-in closet I mentioned. Plenty of space in here. So again, don't need that under the bed storage really, because we've got a huge closet in here in the master where you've got your closet rods, of course, and clothes hangers, as well as your built-in safe and some extra pillows and blankets for those pull-outs. Now here in the bathroom, we have two separate sections of the bathroom. The one directly connected to the master has its own little sliding pocket door here, so you can pull that out and lock this off. You've got a jetted tub in this half of the bathroom. It's got the little jets on the bottom, so this is a great little tub here. And you've got the little shampoos and things there on the little shelf. We've got a vanity over here with a ton of counter space and storage down below as well. So there's a lot of space in here for getting ready. You've got the mirrors up there, and in the mirror we have a TV built in, so you can watch TV while you're getting ready in the morning. And of course, the only channel anyone wants to watch while they're staying here in the resorts is the WW Today channel. Gotta enjoy that while you're getting ready in the morning, right? And the other half of the bathroom does have a pocket door, so you can separate this half from the other half. There's that pocket door. This half of the bathroom has another vanity. Again, lots of counter space up there and storage, lots of cabinets and drawers. So really, a really good sized bathroom with plenty of space to spread out. Got a couple lamps either side of that mirror. And then here we have the toilet and a walk-in shower that is huge. This is your walk-in shower. You've got the rainfall style shower head up top. You do have a detachable shower head on the wall as well, and there is a small bench over there. So really, really big walk-in shower. That's really nice. And heading back into the foyer area, these little doors on the right, one of them is going to have your stackable washer and dryer that is included in every one bedroom and larger villa. And then the one to the left of that is going to be another closet where you'll find your clothes basket, iron and ironing board, and just some more storage space in there. This one here is not actually a closet, just looks like it. It's a clever way to hide the breaker box. Thought that was a nice little design by the Imagineers. Now coming back into the room really quickly, Alyssa did pull out the beds for us. You can see we've got the queen size pull-out sofa bed there. So it's a decent mattress. It's not the super flimsy ones. They're pretty thick, and they're kind of memory foam or something, so they really aren't bad. And the bed over here, the twin size bed that pulled down, we've got a fun picture behind that of Jane and Michael Banks sleeping with the lyrics, "Stay awake, don't rest your head." Really cute. From Mary Poppins. And I do see Mary Poppins up there in the corner, flying away. It's a really cute little part of the bed there. So that's going to conclude our tour of this one bedroom villa with a standard view here at the villas at Grand Floridian.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and comment with any questions you have. And of course, subscribe to the channel so you know when more videos come out.
And if you'd like more information about the Walt Disney World Resorts, you can head over to our website, herewiththeears.com. There's a link to that in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,
We're here with the ears.